Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. I know, I'm really sorry. I haven't been uploading any video for about a week. And I was just busy. Everyone was like, Daniel, are you okay? People, I'm perfect, I'm feeling awesome. I was just very busy, so I didn't have the time. But yeah, I'm back at it. And as you can see, there's loads of people here because I am at Zinkensdams IP at the Stockholm Food Festival. Yes, this place is all about food, and I wasn't actually even planning to make a video, but you know, I was here and was like, oh, this looks fun. Let's just have a little video to get back into it. So unfortunately YouTube does not do smell TV because it smells absolutely wonderful. What do we got here? This is like falafel. Ooh, nice. Africa Daily Market. Ooh, this is food from all over the world. So yeah, just a little stroll. Chat gang, what's up? I hope you're all doing great. I've been busy, but only with fun stuff, so don't worry, it's all good. What do we got here? Ooh, this is kebabs made of wild, like wild swine. Is that a word? Like wild pig? Wild boar or something. What's this? Thai food. We make it, you taste it. Haley's food truck. Fish and chips. Oh, there's too much here. Check it out. Just a nice little atmosphere. In case I didn't tell you yet, we are on Södermalm. Yes. This is the place to be. It's Friday today. And it was actually raining all day. And I was like, oh no, I can't do a video. But then the sun came out. So it's beautiful. But this is normally an IP, an idrottsplats. So it's basically a sports stadium, multi-purpose sports stadium. They got the bar over there in the middle, selling burgers. It's a really good vibe. A lot of families, a lot of kids. Let's check out the bar. It's called Street Bar. It's free entrance, so if you're in Stockholm, you know, just head over here and grab yourself something to eat. We'll have a look at the prices later on, what it costs, but in general, the dishes are about 100 Swedish crowns, which is very affordable right now because the Swedish crown is very low at the moment, right? So I think that's like $10 for food. Like the value of the Swedish crown has went down a lot. It used to be like $13, but now it's more like $10. So yeah, this is the line for the beers. Oh, let's not get too close here to the copyright music, but let's just quickly go to a place and see how much it costs. Oh, the toilets as well. So let's see, what's this? Hamburgers. World-class hamburgers. Well, that's for us to decide, really. 120 crowns the hamburgers are here. Let's see, street food menu, Greek food. A Greek salad, 99 crowns. Ooh, check out those apartments up there. I'm not gonna lie, I actually had 2 beers already, so I feel a little bit tipsy. But that's the whole idea, right? On a place like this, you drink some, you eat some. Mr. Mango Street Food, world famous messy nachos with pulled pork. All right. What else do we got? Asian box, mix and match. Oh, quite nice. Oh, that's quite cool. Those are those like potato chips on a stick that they deep fry. Looks nice, good. Happy ladies. Oh, here, Jamaican soul food. Oh yeah. Nice, nice. Getting some Bob Marley music. Churros. Oh yeah, Spanish. Those are like Spanish waffles. I think that's what it is. What's this? Taco Fiesta. Can be the good taco. Nice. All right, what's this? Tikka roti. Tikka roti. Indian Pakistani food. Oh, food from Eritrea. Is that a word? Eritrea? Yeah. So the country next to Ethiopia, yes. Hong Kong. It's really from all over the place. This is awesome. Arepazo. Latin American. Ooh, banana chips. That sounds good. Bite me. More churros. I just had some food, but I actually feel hungry again. The first and only mac and cheese in town. Oh, nice. Affumato. Premium burger. Mooms, mooms, mooms. Ooh, ice creams. You know what? I might get an ice cream later on. Or just a beer, I don't know. Let's see what happens. All right. Let's see, where are my friends? They're sitting over there. I'm here with a few friends, so I left the kids at home today for a change. You should, right? Because if you go for a few beers, you know, I don't want to, you know, expose my kids to that, so not today. Lots of people here. All right, I don't think there's so much more to show you here today, so just a little short video to get into the weekend vibes and to tell the people I'm back at it, back walking. So I'll record a new one tomorrow again. So let's get back to my spot. Alrighty, it's getting very busy. Hope you're enjoying this little video. Nothing beats a good summer Friday night in Stockholm, folks. Love it. All right, let's walk back up there to the exit, because I actually see my friend sitting from here. I wonder how many people walk around there. Thousands. All right, so found the exit. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. I give you a thumbs up. I hope you leave me a thumbs up as well, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye bye.